there, folks. I am Anika Larsen, and I am your host for New York City Children's Theater's Meet the Parent, a discussion series where we talk about how life in the theater affects your parenting and how parenting affects your life in the theater. Now, you guys, I am fired up about our guests for our next Meet the Parent on Monday, February 7th. We have two Broadway divas, Ann Harada and Audra McDonald. Now, Ann, of course, was phenomenal as Christmas Eve in Avenue Q, and she's also wicked funny in Schmigadoon on TV. And Audra McDonald, come on, this career. She has 6 Tonys, you guys. 6! There are 6 Tony Awards in her house. But we are not going to talk about a single one of those Tony Awards, nor are we going to talk about Avenue Q or Schmigadoon. We are going to talk about the diapers and the tantrums and the parent-teacher conferences that these women were navigating as they were forging these incredible careers. And the first thing we're going to talk about that I'm particularly excited about is how the 3 of us belong to a very small club. We are all women who have been pregnant while doing Broadway shows. So you better believe we're going to start there. Monday, February 7th, 7:30 to 8:30 Eastern. It's going to be a real fun time, y'all. Be there.